Hi all. So for this recording, we're going to review these concepts. So the importance of these concepts in mathematics. So they are the basic concepts for pure maths. So the first one is operators or signs. Two are the expressions. Three, the equations. Four, the formulas. Five, the functions. Okay. So these basics are very important to know because they are the foundation for pure maths. So let's first list the operators or signs. We call the signs as operators sometimes here in pure maths. So let's first list the signs, then tell what are the operators or the signs. Okay. So the first one is the addition, okay, or the plus sign. The second is the subtraction or the minus sign. Then we can say this one is the multiplication sign. This one is the division sign. This one is the equal sign. Okay. So there are these two signs, the addition sign and the subtraction sign. They are also called as plus sign or addition. That is also called as the positive sign. Positive sign. Okay, you should bear in mind. Then this one, the minus sign, is also called as the negative sign. You should bear in mind. So these are signs or operators. They are basic um, things here in maths. They are the things that represent the operations. Okay. So operators or signs are symbols represent operations, comparisons, relationships between numbers and variables or expressions. So for this one, we know numbers are constants. Okay, the numbers are constants. So this one, constants, call them constants. These ones are the variables, like there's something that stores information. So we can take a variable as x. So this one can store an information. Also, we can take the variable y, can take any variable, say z. Okay. So they store the information. Like you can say x is equal to 3. So we know x is 3. Okay, we can use this x. So since like we know x as 3, so this means that we have stored a 3 into x. Okay, but let's not like go deep on that and on that. Let's just go step by step. Let's go to the next session. So now we have this concepts, the expression. What is an expression? So we have to list first the expression, then go into detail what is an expression. So let's list the examples of the expression. So you can add two numbers, let's say 3 plus 5. So you're expressing something here. You're expressing this is 3 plus 5. You are just expressing this. You say you are adding two numbers here. This operator is for addition. So you're adding two numbers. So for the second examples, let's say this is x minus 2. So you are subtracting this constant from a variable, which is x. So this is also an expression. Then let's say we have 4y plus 7. So this is also an expression. This is 4y plus 7. If you can see, this is 4y. Okay, 4y is also 4 times y. Okay, this is times. Okay, let's just say the x. Let's just write x like this. And yeah, this is our x. So let's say, as you can see here, we have what? We have 4y. Okay, so this 4y is also 4 times y. So in this expression, we have how many operators? We have um, two operators. So here we have this operator, which is multiplication, the multiplication operator. We have this addition operator. Okay, so we have two operators in this expression. For this one, okay, let me just erase this part. Okay, erase this part. Okay, so for this one, we have how many operators here? We have only one operator and the addition operator. Then for this one, we have how many operators? We have one operator. Or we can say we have two operators because x is also the same as 1 times x. Okay, so this is also 1 times x. Okay, so this multiplication is also in this expression. Okay, so we have two operators, but the one is not visible. The one is not visible. Like we can say this is a single operator. We can find this single operator, which is a negative sign. Okay, let's go to the other example. Let's consider this one as x plus 2 divided by 3. So we're expressing here. So this is x plus 2 divided by 3. So how many operators do we have there? We have two operators. We have this one, um, we have this one, and we have this division operator here. Okay, so we have two operators there. So this is the addition operator, this is the division operator. So we have this line here representing the division. So also you know that the division sign is this one. Okay, so this expression is also written as x plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, you can also write it as like this. You can also write it as like this. Okay, so this is the division operator and the addition operator. In this way we also see those two operators. Okay, also this one, there is a 1 times x here. Okay, but that one is not visible, so you should bear in mind. Okay, so let's consider also this one, this example, x plus a half 1 over 2 divided by a 4 minus a 3 there. Okay, so we have how many operators? We have, okay, we have this one, a plus, we have a division, we have a subtraction. Okay, so we have how many? Three operators plus the one that is not visible, which is a multiplication operator, which is here. Okay, we have that um, 1 times x. Okay, x is also 1 times x. Okay, so we have these examples of the expressions. So an expression is a combination. Okay, let me use this. An expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operation signs. Okay, these are the operation signs. Now you should bear in mind that an expression does not have an equal sign. Okay, this is what you should know. The the expression does not have an equal sign. I have shown the examples above. Um, these are the examples. So you don't see an equal sign. Here, there is no equal sign. This is the equal sign. You only have two items or terms there. You have two terms that use a sign which is a plus. So we have 3 plus 5 only. We don't have an equal sign. So you should bear in mind that an expression doesn't have what? An equal sign. Okay, let's just hold it on this one, this recording. I'm going to go through the other sections, the equation. We're going to go through the equation, the formula, the functions on the following recording. Thank you. If you find this recording informative, so please like, subscribe. Thank you.